Does anyone else have a friend that will answer a FaceTime no matter what they're doing? Because tell me why I just FaceTime my friend and he answered in a suit and tie and he started whispering. So I was like, why are you whispering? And he said, I don't want the judge to hear me. I said, what do you mean you don't want the judge to hear you? He flipped the camera around and this man was literally at court. He was in the middle of jury duty and he answered my FaceTime. So I said, you didn't have to pick up. Why did you answer this? And he was like, oh, I don't know. I was just kind of bored. But the craziest part is that I looked it up and apparently you're not even allowed to have your phone at jury duty. How did he do this? This guy could be on top of Mount Everest and he would still answer my FaceTime.